Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp Advanced Chat Privacy Feature or WhatsApp New Privacy Feature. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your WhatsApp apps, tap on WhatsApp. Select any one contact, tap on this. Next, tap on three dot icon. Scroll down little bit. You can see that chat log. Tap on this. Use your fingerprint. Next, tap on Advanced Chat Privacy. Tap on Advanced Chat Privacy. Go back. Right here. Meta. Next, tap on three dot icon. Next, tap on more. Tap on explore chat. On OK. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Hopefully your problem solved successfully.